How to build real experience without a job, no experience. This is the biggest problem for beginners. But here's the truth, you don't need a job to gain experience. The real problem most people wait for, a job, an internship, an opportunity instead of creating one. What real experience actually means, it's not about a company. It's about solving real problems, building real projects, understanding real scenarios, ways to build experience, create personal projects, work on real-world use cases, contribute to open source, solve practical problems, make it real. Don't just build random apps. Build things like task managers, dashboards, automation tools, something that solves a problem. Document your work, share on LinkedIn, GitHub, show what you built and how you built it. The hidden benefit, you don't just gain experience. You build confidence, portfolio, visibility, what recruiters see, not just your degree. They see your projects, your thinking, your execution, the shift from waiting for experience to creating experience, the final take. You don't need permission to start your career. Start building, and experience will follow. Rocket emoji.